Well, we're on.
Okay, this is the oil pan. And what I'm going to do first is change the oil. So you set the little oil storage container in the proper place. And some bolts are different sizes, but this one's a 15 millimeter. Some of these 15 millimeter. And righty-tighty, loosey-goosey. And you turn it. And they shouldn't be too tight. You just screw it off with your hand. And let it drain out. And yep, that's about it. Pause it. Alright, and after you let all the oil drain out, you come over here where the filter is. And the filter's right here. It's different on other cars, but it's generally next to the pan. Then you just turn it until it comes off. And the oil is usually pretty hot, like it is right now. Kind of warm. And just let the oil drain out of the filter. And you should always have lots of towels around whenever you're working on cars. You should be wearing gloves, but real men don't wear gloves. And then after all the oil... Crap, where's my towel?
Should I turn off for technical difficulties?
Mm-hmm. Alright, and then after all the oil is out, what you do is you clean up around here, which is where the oil filter is. Clean up all the oil that spill everywhere. Cause you don't want no smoke coming out from under your car when it gets hot. Then you get the new oil filter, put it in, and turn it. Come on, get the right one. There you go. Oh, no, you don't. What's up, guys? Alright, what you do is you screw it in. Some people say it's good to put it on tight. Some people just say put it hand tight and that's good enough. I say hand tight's good enough for right now, because I have the tools for it. And that's good. And then you get the drain plug, which is... Do you go down the hole? Yeah, almost went down the hole. Well, what you do is you get the drain plug, clean it up. And what this is, it's magnetized and some of those little pieces of metal on here. Which grabs metal that goes after the filter. And you clean up the little drain plug hole and put that in. Now you don't want to put that too tight because then it could crack the oil pan. And that should be... That's good. What's